So what does it take to raise our Jeep up off the ground, give it that 4-inch lift? Well, what it takes is all of this stuff here. I mean, we've got absolutely tons of stuff here. We've got trailing arms there, and look at the size of them. They're kind of almost truck-like. They're that big. And then massive springs as well.
Yes, an extra 4 inches might not sound all that much, but it's certainly going to turn this former family car into a bit of a monster. Luckily, off-road specialist Eddie knows a thing or two about how to tame these particular beasts.
So that's our axle mounted now, so there's no fore and aft movement and there's no side-to-side movement. But what we do have is swing.
Keeping the wheels on the ground obviously maintains traction.
Yeah, that's what we need. So I suppose the next thing is to fit the rear springs and shock absorbers.
Yep.
So as Eddie jacks up the axle, that's just compressing our springs, making sure that they're seated correctly in the top and they're seated on the bottom. Now we can fit our shock absorbers. So in we go at the bottom here.
Yeah, it has, yeah.
Okay.